Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 16 to 22, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see, Leo, what's coming to you September 16 to 22. Dream sweet, sleep deep. O, makakatulog daw kayo ng masarap ngayong week na to. Alam nyo na, ano siya, for me ha, luxury na yung sleep. Good sleep. Like, at least 6 hours to 8 hours na uninterrupted. Yung tipong tuloy-tuloy na hindi ka magigising for 6 to 7 or to 8 hours straight. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam niyan. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga vivid dreams, no? Yung mga panaginip nyo na connected sa situation nyo ngayon. Maaring yun yung sign na binibigay sa inyo ng universe about your question. Diba? Uy, Leo. Oh, may romance. Pwede ngayong week na to, you are going to have conversations or connections with someone romantically. Pwede may magre-reach out, try to, make that romantic gesture. You also have victory, celebration. Wow. May isi-celebrate kayo. Meron kayong certain achievement. Tingnan natin antong victory na to. 6th house, sa health, no? Sa inyong kalusugan. Maaring meron kayong pina-check up, tapos gusto nyo maging positibo yung resulta, like maganda yung resulta or something that is favorable sa'yo. So, yes, victorious. And 6th house is also about your day-to-day life, daily routine. So, maaring may mga achievements ka, small wins, mga, ang tawag dyan, milestones na ma-reach sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Okay? Let's see what else. 8th house. So, victory in your finances. Shared finances to. So, pwedeng victory to sa negosyo, yan, investment mo. Okay, let's see what else, Leo. Your overall energy. Champion of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, Leo, hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, no, sa success na gusto nyong ma-achieve for yourself, for your career. You are getting there, no, slowly but surely. Kumbaga, stability in your career, in your finances. Maaring ngayon, nagpo-focus ka sa pagde-develop rin ng iyong skill set. Pagdating sa challenge mo, the death card, ooh, this is transformation. May nag-end. Endings and new beginnings kasi tong death card, no? So, maaring may closing of a chapter in your life and then starting something new. So, yung proseso na yon maaring nagiging challenging sa inyo. What is this? 8th house. Endings and new beginnings din ng 8th house. This can also mean, yung iba ha, pwedeng merong dispute pagdating sa pera, pwedeng shared finances kung may asawa ka na, pwedeng may issue na kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin. Especially if you're going through a divorce or a separation sa isang tao, no, sa romantic partner mo, maaring maging issue yung hatian ng pera, ng resources. But for some of you, this is just the change that is happening in your life right now. Na medyo nasa-stress yung iba. Oo, you're going through a major change. And then your opportunity, the 5 of Swords. Meron ka ngayong opportunity na makita kung sino yung totoo sa'yo, sino yung hindi. Sino yung may magandang intentions towards you, sino yung hindi. Para maiwasan mo. 'Di ba? Five of Swords is also competition. So, maaring makikita mo dyan kung sino yung mga taong makikipagkompetensya sa'yo. Hindi naman pala totoo sa kanilang intentions towards you. At least, nare-reveal sila. 'Di ba? Your blessing, Eight of Swords. A lot of thinking for you, Leo, this week. Kaya nga, makakatulong sa inyo ang pagtulog. Okay? Kasi yan yung way ninyo para makapagpahinga at ma-replenish yung inyong energy. So, as a blessing, itong Eight of Swords is like paglaya sa isang limitation. Maaring itong limitation na to, isiniset mo sa sarili mo or limitation na siniset ng ibang tao sa'yo. So, alin man dito yon, ikaw yung, lagi mo tatandaan, ikaw yung may control over it. Ikaw yung may control sa sarili mo kung magpapa-apekto ka sa sinasabi ng iba, opinion ng iba. Okay? So now, iba sa inyo, your blessing is setting yourself free. Malaya na magawa yung gusto nyo. Your money, career, finances, Oracle of Swords, the Star. Oh, okay. And then the Two of Pentacles. So, ang dami ko nakikitang opportunity sa'yo sa trabaho, sa career mo, sa business mo. With the Star, this is about accomplishing something, no? Meron kang na-accomplish na dreams mo. Yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, sa trabaho, sa career, sa business mo. And then the Two of Pentacles is you juggling your time, no? Kaya nga yung iba, kailangan nyo talaga ng tulog. Maayos na tulog. Two of Pentacles is also having multiple streams of income. So, I think ngayon, pinag-iisipan mo kung alin talaga ang bibigyan mo ng focus. Kasi pwedeng meron kang potential na 5 yung pwede mo pagsabay-sabayin na opportunity. Pero, hindi mo pala kaya yon kapag pinagsabay-sabay mo. So, I feel like, pipili ka lang ng 2 na kaya mong i-handle. And this will give you freedom na, kumbaga yung isa, passive income, at least, merong, kahit na hindi mo tutukan masyado, kumikita. And then also, some of you, kung nagkaroon ka ng challenges sa finances ninyo, you are healing. Kasi ngayon, maaaring makakabawi ka na. Oo. Dahil marami ka nang natutunan dun sa lessons mo. Dun sa experience na yun. Okay, sa love life, naku, may hanged one. Okay, someone here parang, ito kasing Champion of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, pwedeng, this is communication. So, someone might be communicating sa'yo sa relationship. Seven of Pentacles, medyo may confusion dito kasi pwedeng hindi mo sigurado kung ano yung intention ng taong to. Pwedeng this person ay lulubog lilitaw, ganon. Or parang hindi niya alam kung ano yung gusto niya. Oo. Maaring ikaw rin, hindi ka rin sure if this person is trustworthy, kung mapagkakatiwalaan mo pa. Seven of Pentacles kasi is energy of someone ng paasa. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, ayaw nyong umasa. Kasi kung nararamdaman nyo na paasahin lang kayo, iiwasan nyo na yan. You are going through spiritual awakening. You are realizing a lot of things about yourself. Leo, it's time to relax. So, yung iba sa inyo, kayo'y magbabakasyon sa isang place by the beach or kung saan na magkakaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Kaya, iwasan nyo na yung mag-worry kayo. You really need to take care of yourself, Leo. Okay? And napaka-importante nitong bakasyon na to. So, kung may plano kayo na magbakasyon, ituloy nyo na yan. Kasi may magandang outcome yan. Oh, slow down and celebrate yourself. Yes. I-celebrate mo even your small wins. Kahit maliit na bagay lang yan na na-accomplish mo, i-celebrate mo yan. Kasi yung maliliit na bagay, pag nagsama-sama, malaking bagay yan. And that is victory. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.